Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by searching public records at your state Secretary of State website. Use the business registry search and enter the business name exactly. Look for articles of incorporation, registration numbers, and filing dates. Note the listed agent, officers, and the legal owner names shown on filings. If a DBA or assumed name appears, open that record to find the underlying legal entity. Record the entity type and registration number for follow-up with other sources. Next, consult government filings beyond the state registry for confirming details. Review annual reports and officer lists that often include owner or manager names. Search IRS-related documents like Form 1099 records when you lawfully have access to payment information. Look up county property tax records to match business addresses with owner names. Check local business licenses and permits to verify listed responsible parties and mailing addresses for the business. Finally, supplement public records with online and direct research to confirm ownership. Search the company website and LinkedIn for executive names and ownership claims. Use local news articles, trade registrations, and customer reviews to corroborate those names. Consider paid business databases or aggregator tools when public records are incomplete or ambiguous. If needed, contact the business by phone or the registered agent to request confirmation of the owner name and verified contact information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.